Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Patrick from Munich-Ai, and in this video today I want to talk about our signals set and forget 2024 and why these signals are really literally set and forget. I will explain you in this video, so please stay tuned and follow up the video. At first, quickly I introduce, I'm Patrick from Munich-Ai, and in Munich-Ai we have different kind of strategies, Pine scripts you can get on TradingView, and especially our Elite Traders Club. So once you join the Elite Traders Club, you can either have a strategy box, where you have different kind of strategies you can use directly, or you join the Elite Traders Club, and there's like the Smart DCA Profit Hunter inside, which is a backtester and a strategy designer. You can build up everything you want with really amazing different indicators. But let's talk about set and forget. What is set and forget? So once you have an account on Cryptohopper, you just go to the marketplace, signals, and then on the front page you immediately see set and forget. And on set and forget, behind the strategy, I will quickly show you. This is a strategy which is right now has a really high trading frequency. Once we drop down, we will buy positioning to get out really fast, and the performance is amazing. Doesn't matter which coin you choose. You will see everywhere you make this really high trading frequency and getting a lot of trades. So once you get it, you can also set the profit a bit higher as you like. But what's really important, please make your fund calculation. So once we drop down, we need a certain amount of rebuying, which is always like a little bit higher than the previous one. But this brings us out much faster from the positions. And the really amazing thing about this strategy is on the signals, if you get it, everything is pre-configured. And we have every exchange. So if you have one exchange which is not much supported in the signals, and it's not here on our signal yet, we will add it in the same day or maybe in the next one, but really fast with standard good coins. But also we will add when the customers like advanced coins, but of course on your own risk. But this goes really fast. We will implement it really quick. Just join our Discord and write us, and we will do it for you. So what's happening when the market is changing? So when the market changes and we are getting in a bull market, what we are doing, Munich-Ai behind, we will set the strategy much stricter that you get less signals, so that it will also look for higher time frames and get you out better out of the position. So once the market is changing, I cannot show really good right now because we are in a sideways and bull market. This strategy will automatically for you getting really strict and having less signals. So this is something we will do for you. You only need to go on Cryptohopper. You need to go on the marketplace, get a subscription for Cryptohopper. There's even a Halloween account, Halloween discount right now. And then subscribe for our Set and Forget Ultimate. I will be happy if you join us on Discord, and together we will rock this market. So thank you very much for the video. This was a short video. Otherwise, of course, join our Elite Traders Club, and see you on our Discord. And see you soon and have a nice evening. Bye-bye.